Hey everybody, Roadside guy. We're shooting a video show you how to jump start a 2018 Kia Niro. I've already jump started the car, but I just wanted to show you guys where the jump points are under the hood. So under the hood you have this case here that you would remove, and you can see it has the positive symbol on there. Underneath there you would put your positive connection, and there's no ground jump over here that I found. So what I did is what I always do with the Prius cars when I'm jump starting those is I just ground right to the engine block here. And as you can see, that's just a bare bolt that doesn't have paint on it, that goes right into the engine, and that's where I put my ground, just like that. And as I showed you over here, we've got our positive, and we'll go ahead and put everything back. There's no tab over the positive here like there is on a Prius. A Prius will have a little red tab that'll pop up. This one does not. And after you get the vehicle jump started, you want to drive it around and slowly apply the brakes. That's going to help charge the batteries back up. And you want to disconnect the car that you jump start first. And when you're connecting the batteries, you want to connect the cables and then then start the vehicle that you're using to jump start the vehicle that's dead. Once you've started the vehicle that's dead, you disconnect the vehicle that you've jump started, and then you disconnect the vehicle that you use to jump start the dead vehicle. All right, and so there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed. That is how to jump start a 2018 Kia Niro hybrid car. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe. See you next time.